Good morning, student. We are discuss about the electric motor. First of all, what is mean by electric motor? So, electric motor, a device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, is called electrical motor. Okay, what is mean by electrical motor? The device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy is called electrical motor. Construction, armature coil. See here, this is the A, B, C, D. This is the armature coil. It consists of large number of turns insulated copper wire wound on a iron core in a rectangular shape. This is the armature coil. There are two magnet is there. One is the north, another one is the south. Means two magnet, strong magnet. What is the main function of these two magnet? To produce the strong magnetic field. This is the armature coil is placed between two pole piece of a strong magnet that provide the strong magnetic field. And third, that is the split ring. It consists of two rings, R1 and R2. So here this is the two rings, this is the R1 and next this is the R2. It consists of two rings of metallic ring connected to the armature coil. These two rings which is directly connected with this armature coil. Next, brushes. This is the B1 and B2. There are two brushes, two carbon brushes, B1 and B2. It is used to press the commutator. Okay. So next there is the battery. The battery supply the current to the armature coil. See here, magnet, armature coil, axle, brushes, split ring, battery, key. Now, function of electric motor. How to work the electric motor? See here, when current is passed through this armature coil, A, B, C, D, using the plug key, this is the plug key, using the plug key or the switch in the circuit, due to the action of the magnetic field, the arm AB experience a force in upward direction. This AB goes in a upward direction and then CD goes to the downward direction. Okay, see here, it is the Fleming left hand rule. These forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Why equal? Because AB goes in upward direction and CD are in a downward direction. When current is supplied to this electric motor, then this armature coil changes directions. AB goes upward, CD goes downward, and these forces are equal and opposite. Okay. Why opposite? Because AB goes upward and CD goes downward direction. These forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in the direction. Their combined action is to rotate the coil in clockwise direction. Okay, this coil will be rotated in a clockwise direction. As the coil rotate at one state, the contact between the commutator and brushes break. Okay, what will happen? At the one state, the contact between commutator and brushes, the contact will be break. Hence, the current supply is cut off. Hence, magnetic field does not exert any force. Now, the current start flowing through a coil again, and force on arm AB is a downward direction and CD is the upward direction. Means it is the anti-clockwise direction. After the complete rotation, coil will force on the AB is again upward and CD is the downward direction. Thus, the rotational motion of the coil is continue. Okay. Thank you.